Hello and welcome to PH Maths. Today's explainer is the reciprocal. Just flip the fraction. By the end of this, you'll know what a reciprocal really is, why multiplying a number by its reciprocal always gives 1, and the one mistake students make about signs. Definition. The reciprocal of x is 1 over x. The reciprocal of a fraction a over b is b over a. You literally flip it. So the reciprocal of 5 is 1 over 5. The reciprocal of 2/3 is 3/2. The reciprocal of x is 1 over x. Simple, mechanical, never tricky. Key insight. A number multiplied by its reciprocal always equals 1. That's the defining property. 5 times 1 over 5 equals 1. 2/3 times 3/2 equals 1. That's why the reciprocal is sometimes called the multiplicative inverse. It undoes multiplication. Also useful, the reciprocal of a negative number is also negative. Common mistake. Reciprocal is not the same as negative. The reciprocal of 4 is 1/4. That's 0.25, a positive number, not negative 4. Don't confuse the two. Reciprocal flips. Negation changes sign, and these are two different operations. Quick example, reciprocal of 5 is 1 over 5. Reciprocal of 2/3 is 3/2. Flip the top and bottom. Reciprocal of -7 is -1 over 7. Flip and keep the sign. 3 different inputs, same method. Flip and only flip.